What's good, Wealth Builders? It's your boy DeVaughn back again with another video. And today we're talking about how to make $100 by opening a bank account. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, real quick, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand: how to make $100 to open a bank account. That's right, I said 100 because that's how I get down. 100. But nah, seriously, this is going to be one of the simplest, fastest videos I've ever made. It's going to almost feel like a commercial. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and share this video with a friend, because even though it's short, I got some real important information that can help you make $100 sent straight to your bank account without you doing much of nothing, really. Okay, now let's get to the good stuff. Okay, all you literally have to do, right, is sign up through my link. That's right, through my link to get a Varo bank account set up. Okay, I know you're like, what is Varo Bank? What is a Varo bank account? It's an online bank account. Okay, it's straight online. It's supported through the Bancorp Bank. Okay, the same bank that supports PayPal, the same bank that supports NetSpend. Okay, Varo is pretty much like a NetSpend card or PayPal, but the dope thing about Varo, they have no fees. Okay, so the checking account has no fees. Their savings account is high percentage. I believe it's like a 5%, anywhere between 3 to 5% interest return on your deposits. Okay, so Varo is a great option. All right, and the dope thing about it is all you need to do is set up a direct deposit and make sure your first deposit is within 45 business days and is over $200, and you will receive an extra $100 deposited in your bank account. This is exactly how you will make $100 for opening a bank account. I really feel like this is the easiest way you'll ever make $100 because there's no credit check. Okay, as long as you don't have a whole bunch of bank accounts in default or anything like that, you should be good to go. Okay, they don't have a lot of stringent guidelines or anything like that. Okay, and all you got to do is set up a bank account. So, with all that said, click the link below. Get started today. You don't even have to put no email in to get started. I don't even want your email address for this, okay? Just click the link below. Just click it. Click, 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 click. Okay? Don't hesitate, because I don't know how long this special will last, okay? They're not going to give $100 forever, right? So you might want to get involved right now. Not now, but right now, okay? So, thanks for watching. It's your boy DeVaughn, signing off for how to make $100 to open a bank account. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace. It's the Wealth Builders, baby.